Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I will show you a tutorial about how to create merchant, or say how to create customer and supplier. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Master. You will find that the merchant block. Click it to go to the merchant interface. Here is an interface to manage your customers and suppliers. Let's open one of the records to review the inside information. Here is a filter to filter the record by the nature of the merchant. Let's open the record, CPLHK. This page is the merchant basic information. For example, contact name, contact phone, address and remarks. Let's go to next tab page, bill. This page is to set up the bill information that will be used in order. For example, the payment term, currency, etc. All of that will be automatic fill-in when create an order to that merchant. Some of the input boxes have a magnifier. This magnifier is a data lookup caller. That means the data has a master control. User can pre-input a group of data for the user selection later. The next tab page is additional contacts. This page is to set up the additional contact of that merchant. For example, you can input multiple contacts for different delivery address. If necessary, you can click the cross sign icon to increase the blank space to input. The next tab page is User Rights Grants Control. This page lists out all the user excludes no accounting rights granted. That means the accountant user must have access to all merchant rights, to prevent missing account transaction handling. The next tab page is User Group Rights Grants Control. This page is the same control of user rights. You can grant that merchant to a group of users, rather than individual users. The last tab page is Orders Records. It is an order record searching page. It can search and show all relative documents for this merchant. And the document number is clickable to open the record. Click this expand icon to open the details of each document. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.